Bintu bwakire ng'aimo gotoka agachageti kane taite mukorera agachageti aka bari muri America nimwe tuguchageti yo. This is the latest print, African print. We support the small business owners. Kaya kabisa. Tinda abobeka se website, but I'm going to put them on the website. Oh no. Happy Monday. Lero nilitukuliye sana because God has given us a chance to start another week, and so we can set goals, so we can get a second chance. The week ends and then we start all over again. Ibo ono bali muri moyo mukondigereri akiri Nyasaye mbiamono nande mumwiraneri nga umunene Nyasaye mbiamono twabokire wono mambia bange mbaraboka abande babokire. So lero twite gukwanira igoro ya starting all over again. Abantu bandi bawo boete ko start all over again, gusa abandi bawo boete gukora ibintu. You understand? Ntaragenda tuganda kiyeri totebi babuji science no monginoye. Congratulations. Tubakaribisha se institution ya marriage is a very good institution, na ndo chinga bachaka on a very good note. Abantu bandi bamayinded their business. That's how marriage is born. Babuji, in fact, I want to moje tebya no mongino omwacha kirwa on a very high note. Abantu bano na baba kuna mete kabisa ande singe njibono science mbro into toko gotegerera into chi public figure chinechi funds chiao ande bantu mbaba sego chagotengao ngambo babantu bachitenganga bantu mbairi mbanjiri bagende chisimi babujimbu yae wachituma science into to wanji toko gotegerera kabisa. I had the pleasure of meeting you. I'm so proud of you, and you know what, you're starting a new life. Na bono marriage irigo wacha kabiya sana imitanda yebono na binyomere igo okonyora nonye tuli mitandao abantu bayisiko no bayikire mwa okobwa kende yons. So that's a good thing. You're starting enyomo on a very good note. Yima okomanyanga ki enyomo no banga ne ya ono mongino abantu bayisiko outside forces na buba bamaite go changerege nto batali ngororo na ande nekekora twatigete chi post chia kiromonto abantu bataite kulika igoro ya babuji no bale banje ire gali mitandao balike as a group yetu ya masase na machuma, because you are his fans, you like his music, you enjoy his music. Ekerege ntumne kiabeira so guma bwaye personal life ndotaite ko ba block koro ko celebrate him bali mutaite ko murama na inu bono gese butambe nko murama bure babuji na analite. So we congratulate you and we are wishing you the best of luck. It is so nice that you flooded the social media yesterday. It is so nice to see you taking a step. In fact, that was one thing that you needed to do ahead of time. God prepared you. God knew science this day yesterday was coming. And you know what? He prepared you for that. You gave yourself where you have to love the unlovable. You have to celebrate the uncelebratable. That's how you're going to look at it. We want to be so proud of you. Ase bali muate nenelete nyangi. Amachuma bali muale ngese nyangi. Onye tora nyoma. Koranche. Ike nyangi yao. Follow the footsteps. Babujio set a very good record. Aso monto mosani. Monto umobwa ebore public life. Oroche bina muamo siyikiri kabisa. Lakini yokore the right thing. Wana bali muale nge line up. Mutara nyoma. We are challenging you. Omwana oyo Simba. Mokondere Simba. Montebi ngati kunyagototisa. Simba. Ngupi mande yanga yao. Enyangi yao. Ndo chinga na wondache. Tindo chinga ni miss. Because enyangi umaite nkonyo bangole mapema. So the next wedding. Ndo boli montoto tisete buya. Utetie. Agateba nga muroche wano na inje banyomera ni gakuru kusimba. Enda muri yo mwana uri okuru kusimba 254 muri gereri otutaite nera abeke people koboko. Acha kubuguma bwaye miginaye bwangu iga mo tentaite ko babara mwensi ngoja tole bwangu na inu moso ekwerende ke tole ime inu moigubune kwerende ne ntindi teli bobe mono, lakini outside forces na chigo sadie nyoma mara mange, lakini okerole strong umaite kyote kokora Nyasaye na bauko, but especially keroma yete what you want. babuji science umaite there is a time abegete post ya egali Facebook akarurate chiae nkaire post eri nkaire umugakone ngamuterigere umu maite bono babuji asaba gusinera samido bwa bayikoyo ngatebi umugakone ngaligere umuroyo asset standards onye woko nyara okoleki omukombo onye toko nyara oligi abantu balembaro bale guchinse yake ya set standards. A post eri was very encouraging to me because this is someone who knows clearly tachetinga andole inbox nga inchuto kwa nega iga no gara oseti post agateba nyogotaiten be ogotera kwao onge chibesa gete onyogotaiten che event ya akabeka chibesa chire very clear. Babuji, congratulations, and that was a very good lesson. So today I wanted to talk about starting all over again. Regardless of your age, it is possible that you can start your life all over again. If you have made mistakes, it's never too late. Moving forward, I'm going to start to do A, B, C, D. You can start all over again. Please, tebyo monto nga no mwanjete. Abantu mbali mutanya ko show affection. Nando nye kwanya wancho monto imukingo koboko. Abantu mbali ga batanya koro kimonto ndi bwensi obwanchani. Abantu mbali ga batanya ko express love for one another. Na the love tali ebe romantic. Love na beko ba mamu mino, love na beko ba tato mino. Nga ki Christopher agoteba. Erobo igo baba batebi. Yes. Migi abe people na simba muna bunabe ka era inindo chinga na bango chakoligi anga mpime suti nche chinyangi chiawa. Iro kasimba mono nero wenye gototisa ne kieni ntageto montamo amobeke chinga ya mokoli enyangi bwango tomorusi getia tigera bamurabande egeti simba kora bwango. Bono abande mwenye wanchonde mubwati onde mwanchete. In fact omosigali yokoroku akia koroku Sami ondimu. In fact, nanyorete samundimu on Facebook many years back yagotera go ngararangale ankarelite no musi. I fell in love with Sami. Nkamwanja sana. Tigaba nachikwa kuchibicha nganja Sami kabisa. Yani I love Sami. Ono bali mutama itirero mwamanyire nganinganchite Sami sana. Bono tugachaka gukwane mitandao tukunye gukwane mitandao. When Lona's father passed away, I had a chance kumirana na Migi. I had a chance kumirana na akio yako na Sami. I had a chance kumirana na Babuji. Yani nkanyore chance na nyareso. I felt so good. The feeling was priceless. Nduchi etkonyora liba gato kora mangana mange gusto kwane gusto egoki. Lakini mbange tenga nyasaye gago nkonya nkoira na Kenya. Abantu bali tuanjetera totebe bali tuanjise kukwane mitandao. Togenda ali asakuru ku Mombasa nyueteri chuma ndro libwate hotel to promote ri chuma liri to imoge twensi togende yani away togendi away abasani bali abantu bali tuanjite kokwana ga mitandao because we have that in common. John, how you doing? I hope you're feeling better. John, even you know I love you. My children love you. My husband loves you. We love you so much. I hope you're doing well and you're healing well. Wono bwanjani obwane bwa Sami bugacha bukabo bonge sana ekero namuranka woka sana nandi Sami namanyete tinje tukomobisa nabo kero namunyorete WhatsApp nabo namutetinga Sami in fact ningwanchite sana kwarade obwanjani ubuno bwanjani ubiyekero moko era no monto tari rasima tutuare chi relationship tari rasimo chikoba no monto ngachanka umira baba Jackie ino yonde baba Jackie tuo kwane mitandao kero mama arwalite baba Jackie akaline ndege na ofisa agachampaka agaiga New Jersey agachakorora mama. Can you imagine akaline ndege nyareso yo naende nyareso na mwanje mitandao nkamwanja sana matukoma keigo amangana ya mabakoba tokumira na alisobolona tukego sana tenda nyo macha amangana na rekero kwana kwa makongo kwa ratura nyo macha. Oh, you know, oh, Sami, you school together. Sami, I love him. I don't even like him. I love Sami. Bono, tukomera nali, tokego, although na matanga tualenge, tokego tukomera na bantu bali tole mitandao gaiga. So, obwanja nimbura bantu bande mutanya gwanchonde. Abande mugane to montekera akule na limocha gotanga mwanjite na nyarebe. Aya. Muna nje bona ninganchite Facebook. Abantu bande Babuji nanchite gotera, Migi nanchite gotera. Nyaleso nanchite gukwana mangana insachine gukwana ra makaya ayo. Nyaleso nanchite gochaga gukwana emeba yeno. Yakero muntu nabwo atege ntanchite. Kwanye kwebolinga. ayenki bwanchite noma eteki bwanchite gosoka nyeta abantu bandi bakore ebintu byabo omenye kurorocha gukwana oganyete peni ali kenyangi omenye gochota enge yange eri apeni njale ngengia oganyete nyale bakore genta yo omenye gochunga musibati oli garo muchinga sana ayenki bwanchite gokora erinde naye torore kyo gokora tugosangiriere onye gotaito buguma bwo bagende buya you have to start all over again kere nyumba ya yire onye mwanya kugirwe nyumba gose mwanya korora kero notanyi nyumba netaye kero kwabekire chinko kere gento kiabeire libu tokunyara korusiri ibuoliro siribe chianga tokorusiri ibulibe chinko ekere nyumba ya yire ekere relationship ya chire kere chianyura mache we need to get into the habit of accepting ekere gento yasalekire we start all over again mwaro chigava na mtu okuri relationship na Lilian abantu bakonyata yanga ngabona relationship ye bakonyakolia mangana onye marriage ya iri te onye gotiringa chinsa ko goteberere gento kiairi onye nyumba yao yagire watigira abantu baisiko ba affect your relationship yagire don't even dwell there. Janet mokwana okwanire ba mobile nga inki ekogera okogecha kwabeire embinu ya kera lituko kuliko wacha mimi. I love making new friends and taking my time to know them. Very good, Agnes. You have to make new friends. Elina, how are you? Kwarare ayekwanya kwebo linganga ki inki ekogera abantu bakonye kugamba nyalebe onye turi ko make news my friend manyanga mangana hotelwia. You have to make good news and bad news. Inza chine keronga chiteganga kwani incheregete na bonko make bad news. Inza chine nacha na kwani bintevia na ros back good news. When there is a crisis, you have to do an intervention. Ekerorucho buguma bwa mboliko endabia yotogote bugumnanga ki it is early to de-escalate the situation. Tiakobera no muntu tatageti break up. Umuntu yo ta break it up kwacha komorasa. You have to do early intervention for you to save your marriage. You have to do early intervention for you to end bad negative relationships. Don't wait until things are bad. Evaluate the situation ya orenga kinyome ya nenga kiere. Nga kininyale kwenye salvage yaya. Onye toko nyara imoka wate bintu bya the earlier you do you live in a you come out of a relationship the better your life gets. Abantu bandi mumwe at time off mumanye what you like. Abantu bandi mumwe at time off mumanye nga ki ndagira gete bwanjite ndagira kya bwanjite nkyo gokora for recreation. Mutageti change. Kwarare, you don't have too much time kunyakoba unsure of what you want. Challenge yourself to a new thing. Onye kokolete kamwistay. What a footsteps cha babuji. Babuji roche gacheta sinyasa litangani akaraba tiswa nyasa enkonye nyumu muswatyo. Na abo mobe na atabo mbya. Pianda munyoma nchakobo bima. Kwarare, you cannot do something you achieve something. You have to start. Kera na chagite Facebook une nyelete litukeli mona kolete video ye ntangani na bona atete ngeke yo niche ngokwana timbuga tibo bana bongo kwana onye gotaito achieve gento. You have to get up one day, you try new things. Don't sit in that one thing. Imoka one day nyenkwanya gote imoka I love you motevi iruka one day amasaso nyenkwanya gote imosacho you love him, tell him. Imoka one day nyetuko ruga ama chuma imoka one day onye konye turi kwa buso konye nyomba. Just wake up one day and start something new you've never done. Tebi abantu nga you love them. Tebi simba 254 simba ningu anjite kore nyangi bwango koranche mpime yanga na ando tebi nchake kubeka chibesa America ngale nchake kubeka chibesa nsevi nyangi ya want to attend nyangi ya simba. Kwarari tell these people what exactly you want. Tika kukanya abantu bako kumwamenye kutaka kolere metandao nga I wish niko job hospital handling over please wachana na mimi. I love making new friends. Oyo Josh, you'll come and listen later. Tika kukanya abantu bako, that's when you're going to start praising them. Fear is going to keep you down. Abantu bano batete kusiyarira babuji obuwa Facebook na handi babuji ochiro okolere nyangi. Achaki ngabona bachaka kube komorose ngagakie ngakibateba. Abantu bandi bone ngenje bakwanite nyangi ya babuji abandi nko bo balinga nje tingo kora nyangi. Nje nandi Facebook tingo beka nyangi yane. Amangana ya fear. Nara kogera abantu batari ko ba successful. What everybody thinks, it does not matter. And you know, I want to tell you, when I was growing up, I want to tell you a personal story. He was a man who was fearless. He was a man that was daring. Tata could do anything. And again, that basically his mind to it, he was very daring. On the flip side, my mother was always afraid. I grew up my whole life. Nga peni na abantu rende barateba. Elia kero tumenyete na mama ntenga eni ebinte bya abantu bataracha. Peni na tiago tigenda iriga abantu barari skolende. I grew up being told by my mother. Nga kia abantu bagukwana. Nga kia abantu bagukwana. Because you know what? It was not her choice. That is how she was raised. Iga abete raised kumanyanga kia abantu bagukwana is important. But you know what? My father, on the flip side, he took himself out of poverty. How he took himself out of poverty? He lived a fearless life. He was not afraid. Yes, it's good to hear what people are saying. Mbuya akero muntu abwate concern yakole agotevi. Lakini bona umuntu kuchaka agotevi bintu bire negative. Ebintu bikunya gukubeka down. Muntu eretari gukorangiria goteike ndigento ge gukwencourage nga penny. Ya gento getokole igokole na liora succeed. Erekera gukorangiria n'ibintu bire negative. Erekera gukwana naye n'ibintu bire negative. Kera gucha nyomba no kunya gukukani. Abantu bali avoid them. End bad relationships. Start all over again. Don't be afraid. It is good to start all over again than kobere again to carry so bad that can just cost you your life. And let me tell you something. Only tell you tabuati insecurities. Everybody has insecurities. I will struggle na church. Muna injebono nimbata insecurities chie algebra tini ko nyara. Bono chake ko algebra nkole I cannot do it. Igo montambe on the spot for $1 million ante ingaki find X. I will not find X. Wongo chaka konyagalunga niche find X. On the flip side, my friend Becky, who's good in math, if you're making a find X, you'll find X very fast. So I have advanced math insecurities. I don't try to bother. I don't put my energy. Lakini bintu bidimbiro mnabono koragira. When it comes to eating well, we say self-love. I am the champion. Onyo go tageto chake koba healthy. You have to wake up one day. Ochake koba ngangaki I have to eat. Amacha I am morochi nkonyugaiga. I carry my water every day. Also go chaka iga nimbate ndagira yani. Because you know what, I want a healthy life. Eli tunde eneli tunda mbegete gaiga. Elineli talk fresh. Enenda gara yani mbegete sanduki. Ene mango na alire half nintegalete half. Enenda gara yani. Elineli tunda ao eline tangerine eye California neighbors. Nimbate na ndinki mbate gaiga. Neli tunda linde. Lunch yani gaiga. Because you know what, I want to be healthy. Lunch yane ombate gatinde ichinchi kugura fast food. Iga nimbate chinchi uchikuru ku pistachios. Ekalonda itekoli snack na rosi. I am an expert when it comes to meal planning. I'm an expert when it comes to taking care of myself. You want the expert, you're amboli asende chitoroime what you need to do for healthy living. I'll tell you. But I'm not an expert of math. Identify what you're good at. Do you have a passion? Inki ko garutara chake biasara. Inki ko garutara chaka weight loss. Inki ko garutara nyuma legally. Ke garutara ruiru muspati chombo menyetenere. Inki ko garutara nda ko umera abayibulbo muspati oyo menyetenere. Janice, how are you? So minto you can always start. Don't be afraid. Ndaite mosome lesson mina mo kunya go trail babjiga iga na mokwana na motukwana ero nyomire. Uchile to the next step. Na mokwana montakwana ereno mo science yogotera. Na mokwana montakwana ochakiro bogumabwaye. We are not going to stop him and let the people talk. Abantu nkibono gese batabwati meremende, they are minding your business. Let them talk. Ayegenda ligiri tunda liao nonya ko ngamba iri tunda eri nchengo sabora. Onetali wo chago sabora eri tunda li. Omubere no yo nabanyago kwana ayi wasabora eri tunda liao no mayete ngomubere no yo were endete nyoma ne yao omo kerigente byasara ne byao barabwa ebona baye chinsa abanyago kwana ayekora ebintu byao rero mubero ende nyoma yao. But it's never too late to confess love. Abantu bali bwanchete batebinga no banchete. They don't have to be your spouse. Na ando mga kone na ansegeti nga basacha bana. Na bono ntebie Prince. Na Prince ningwa njite. Prince amanye kuchaka kukanga bono ngante ite ko banere. Na Prince achake kurusichisa ati bwangu. Abantu bandi bakagete ngero ko batenga no banjite nga bono ite ko bana barabo. Tote ko bana kero umuntu bwanjite of the opposite sex. Abantu otebye umuntu bwanjite no mwanjite lakini toramulengera limwe chikumubeka muntu yaya. Abantu maro twanjite abasacha abaya twanjite kabisa. Chikumulengera no ina aso ikaranste nkora yawo yawaka. Lakini tote chikomo nyuma. You are not loving him sexually. I'm not loving Baba Jack sexually. I'm not loving Sammy Ondimu sexually. Nyaresa bana babasini abana basini ningotaja by the way. I'm not loving them. Job ningwanjite sana job lakini ndaitinga nkuminyoki ko chiande no ngwanjite kabisa. So we need to love each other and support one another. Ikaro montana chiko kolege ntukia mo support. Abantu bakonye kukwana isika amangana bunaya ninkunya kunyakwanira bali amangana amukukwana nama ya sana nyakwa gendera kabisa. Gendera kabisa kwana amangana pen. Lakini pen nabwo atekirenga kiyaye kogera hakuchaka yige mitandao. Start a new beginning. Kenani Clinton biya mono. Kenani Clinton nabongo kwanja kabisa lakini talibone minute nga no kwanja ningo chikoli nganta itensange naye. Talikiri umuntu wanje tota itosange nere. Omugaka marabuli ko mwanje te. Lakini ndaitinsange nere. Omuyibera nere ngo tegerera kabisa na mwanje kabisa. Nganje to muyibera ninga kintaranyora liba ganchikoli lunch nere. Simba layo ni uro chenta itenche nyangi yayo. Umwana uyo musini niyo umya kabisa igole ikini kabisa. Tinda ito sanganera lakini wonda itenche nyangi yayo. Migi no mwana nganje ta kabisa champion. Kole nyangi bongo moto chike. Tika twanchane kabisa ubwanchani bwanya sai na hande twabirane nyo muntu okogose iri abirana na muntu yi. Nkeko ara squeezing ire tengora ko barama. Umete ni mete korama sana. Nkorama in fact na bora abito igubiya. Nakiko rantari kurama abantu. Ni mete korama sana. Lakini nyotakanara abantu ngo kurama ncene baye gwatigara wo kunyako. Kuyu bona nina ndete kutarama abantu. Ndamo umuntu in fact nkorama. Ogo chikoraro chikonya kweguli nkibose. Musibati ulianda amero. Njono umuntu ndakorame bobe. Gotyo kubuso. Na ndengo wa address ayo mwenyene ngo kurangirire tali. So I don't do it. Because ndabasa gukorama ogenda uchikwebeke ngoli ndete gukora. So abi muri bibisini nibiko nyakorama abantu mitandao n'ibisibati bibisini n'ibike bitararusiye amabiriga. Dore ko birama back to ko birorera amabera. So guys, love somebody. And chumuntu kabisa passionately mwanje na ando motegerere. Ekere na gateregere ire na nabwegesa. Let me tell you people. I used to see Nana on Ekegusii FM. Nali gotegerera na nabiya sana kumulige nali kumulige nate yani muswati oga kikagale kini mwanjite ihote ndaitinga sange nere motenga no lesbian ndagete nana abantu bananga nkiyanjerete nana I love that konyote ndamumera Kelena umirete nana yani nkaigubiya in fact nkaigubiya sana I love her. So love people talinga ngonkero monta na inwa machuma na inutoko banja tiko chako jagonyo tusabege no tika ko ndababu ya tosikane kabisa twanjane kabisa in fact yaba gusito chake wanjana ocha konyora twabere biya sana ocha konyora twakolire binte biya Elijah agoteba life is never about finding good people and avoiding bad people. People are not good, people are not bad. It's all about finding the good people and learning to accommodate the bad in them. No one is a soul of freedom. Perfect hatred eats soul and freedom hater more. Yes, in fact kwalikire biya sana. That is a very good thought. Yes, abantu bakwa accommodate. Njibona abantu barabanganjite gamachuma bagoja bande ngalimbo begwacha lakini banganjite mbarochi abande mbarochi mbobe nakora banganjite nje nimbanjite sana. I love them and I confess my love for them. You understand? Na ninza konyora chinza na barabu I'd like to spend a night with them iga tuikanansa iga we just enjoy each other. We kwanza abasani intu abasani abachi artist babuji nje naye bano tuende in the same level. Simba Rayon be in the same level. Nyareso no tuli komo Baba Jackie no toralia Sami abantu abatole metandao. We have something in common. We love each other. And you know what? We are going to continue doing what we are going to do. And the love of God will never fail you. We will love. Emmanuel Otevre, well spoken. You are that great advisor, Penny. We have many types of love. Yeah, we have love. Yes, many types of love. God commands us to love each other. Nyakundi the actor, I love him. Akamwana kalika nega kuru kamtu fulani. Tina of late. I love kamtu fulani. Yani I love him. Yani I wanted to meet him to at lunch. There are people I've loved you on social media. Oh, amatera maya kabisa. So let us love each other. Bono Debra called the video yengende because lunch yana ya Debra Otevide tumira ne nyangi ya Simba Lion. Simba Lion topimire chisuti nyangi ya coming. In fact, I'm locked in. Tima itinga yota itente nenere na kina bongo tenenera. I am locked in. Huh? Jobu na atika korama, Swiss ndi korama. Ntolegete lakini ima ite korama. In fact korama okutogo chikora. Oko wenda uchikwe bolinga inkieke. Ima ite korama sana na ndi korama in fact inko korama ne bintu biri binene biri ima ite nga uchakorwa butalira isi. Ngora okolera wo mwak na amanyanga mbiri bichi point inchi dichinkoleta. So I try not to do it. Janet Mokwa Otevre enyangi ya Simba Lion ntobwate tuko na hiyo arusi. In fact, Simba, I'm promising you I'll be in your wedding. Nero kobwatia. Ndo chenga nero tisete. Miki tachi tiko tisa buya igora kini arusi ya Simba. Lion tuko nayo. Ambe no nkalika aki. Nyebeke bwango iga. Onte ebi. Ngole bikoroto. Bikoroto ngo chako warango chako tabere. Ngole bikoroto biri ngo choberera unembata. Yanga mpime kabisa. Na boko nge. No nyene line up Simba na bongo tenenera. In fact, you know why? Nindo chenga naga swati yaga keiga kana bongi sainde gutenenere nyangi tinda gota mono Simbombe kegali osene keki ngocha kobutora tima eti roll kirakini nta ete roll ya senyangi ya Simba tumanye goche ya migi na declare abantu bali muri metanda otumanye tonye muranyoma declare bwati mu science tozike chinyoma tumanye ngenyoma nero to chake koronyora abana tukini abana nabone ncha abana nimbwate babere babwate chindero kero kwa dena kindi abana babwate chinderu igo manyanga naraya ete iri njumba te nyoma is not a joke enyoma gering ye kero mwancha ino ondeta yo obuli muntu ndi bwenzi beki into to ekero ko make news beki you've made news kese mbabwate kindi bakora enyangi ya Simba Lion no tokale koli pilau nchendo chenga goikange we role senyangi tokole chinyangi abasania mwesi mukole chinyangi mweske nandi mutike kutayaya ndo basa ko ngandi mwataya ire yasa oyo